Okay, so welcome back to Wheels and Toys, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about the roof operations of the 718 Spyder, because I think that's one of the points that most people have talked about when it comes to the Spyder, except for the gearing, that the roof is very sort of hard to operate. But I want to challenge them, because I think it's not that hard actually. So the car looks the best without the roof up, I think. Still looks great with the roof up, but basically I'll show you a very couple of quick steps and things to think about basically if you want to do this very quickly and rapidly. So first and foremost, of course, we just pop the trunk, open the trunk, and then we walk over to the passenger side of the car. And once we're here on the passenger side of the car, some people say that you need to raise these little flaps here. You don't need to do that. Simply pull the roof up and then walk up again around the car, pull down this little cover back here, push it down, move back again, take the little flaps, push them down, make sure they clip in. We'll go over to the passenger side. We'll do the same, just clip it in. Now, if we're done, we can basically, as we talked in the earlier video, link it down below, you just use the key to first lock the car, click again and hold, and the roof will latch itself, and the windows will go up, and you're basically good to leave the car if you want to. And the other way around, basically, if you want to open up the car, instead, you just press and hold. The roof will latch itself, the windows will go down, the trunk in the back will pop. Again, starting from the passenger side, we'll do the first clip on this side, put it over there, walk over, do the second clip, quickly raise this little roof or the latch. Then on this side, you can basically put a hand here and one hand on the top and just fold the roof down. Push a little bit and take this first flap on this side and put it down. We then walk over to the back, take the lid sort of with us, push it down all the way, and you have this last flap here. And you're good to go. So it doesn't take much time. So actually we can try to do this one time without me telling you all the steps, and you'll see actually how quite quickly that actually goes. So let's do roof up and then roof down, but most likely you're gonna do it the other way around. The roof is gonna be up, gonna put it down, dry somewhere, and put it up. But let's see actually how quick that can go. Okay, so you open up the latch. Let's put the key down here. Okay, so we open, we walk over, take the roof, put it down, take the latch, close it, first flap, over, second flap, use the key, roof done. Doesn't take that much time, right? Same thing the other way around. Walk up to the car, basically still walking, right? Now we got to the car, everything is done, the trunk is open, so we do it the quick way. Clip, clip, trunk, down with the roof, press it, little flap, take it this one again, and the flap, and we're done. It's not that complicated, it is quite quick, and I think it's worth it for the double bubble. So if you're thinking of getting a Spyder and you're afraid of this roof, it's not that hard. The first couple times when you do this on the car, it takes some time to just get used to it, and also it does take some time before the fabric stretches, so it's so easy to just do all these clips and stuff. So hopefully that's showing you a little bit more about how, I wouldn't say convenient, but easy at least. Until we see you next time, take care. And if you have any questions regarding the Spyder, just ping me down below. Bye.